Greetings, hello world. This is your Brian Civital from Let's Share TV Olango. Right now I am here at Cervano Sea Star Business. Okay, this is the unbleached or the original color. They use calcium hypochlorite to make it white with water and chlorine. The second procedure, they put on the table under the sun to make it dry. We're going to interview one of the workers here. May I know your name?
Rolando Daniel,
How long it takes to make it dry?
3 days.
Okay, I am here in the packing area with. Okay, finish. Normally, how many stars inside the net bag? They use abaca net bag. Abaca is a family of banana. Use buri palm diet. Okay, this is the finished product. To those who are interested to buy the starfish decoration, just visit her in Olango Island. That's all for today. Next week will be the coloring of the starfish. This is Earl Brian Civita, Let's Share TV Olango.